Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of mine, and with me today I have the Apple MagSafe charger. So this is the MagSafe charger that I bought from the Apple store, which was the first Apple store in India, and the experience of buying this was just fabulous like none before. I had the same kind of experience in Dubai while buying an iPhone, and this is the same experience that I have in India. So let's unbox this machine, which is the MagSafe charger. I wanted the MagSafe charger from such a long time, and finally I've got the MagSafe charger. The box is pretty cool, small, Apple-like. Of course, it is gonna be like Apple because it is an Apple brand. So let's unbox this. So here we have the MagSafe charger in front of our eyes, and as you can see, we have this new pull type of mechanism which is used in the iPhones from the iPhone 12 series. So let's just undo this by pulling it. This is the worst experience because I don't like opening things, but yes, you need to open things. So here it goes, bye bye. And reopen this. I guess you pull this, right? Yes, you pull this, I was right. And this is how it is packed in. The box is neat, as I mentioned earlier, and here comes the nothing comes here. Okay, so oh my god, it's so difficult to open this. And here comes the MagSafe charger, which is inside this. There's something more inside this box, which is just manuals and manuals. I think that Apple should stop giving this stuff because it's really useless. But I think so it's kind of mandatory by the government to give all these warranty summary things. So here in front of us we have this booklet which consists the MagSafe charger. So here it is written Apple Inc. 1 Apple Parkway, Cupertino, CA, and the pin code of the place where it is located. And here it says designed by Apple in California. So of course. And this is the booklet in which the MagSafe charger consists, which looks pretty amazing to my eyes over here. As we can see, we have the USB Type-C cable which goes into the USB Type-C brick. The USB Type-C brick was launched by Apple in the first iPhone 11 Pro, and since then it has been there in the iPhones. And in this pouch contains the MagSafe charger. So I'm gonna pull it out from here by just pushing it, which is very difficult actually. Yeah, here we go. And here is the MagSafe charger, which is very neat. It is really small to feel in hands and looks pretty nice. I don't know why over here it is a bit dusty, but I think it's my hands which are a bit dusty, and it must have hit the dust. Sorry for the camera being blocked. Okay, so anyways, this is how the MagSafe charger is. With me, I have got the charging brick with me over here, and another iPhone to check the MagSafe quality. So let's keep the phone aside. And let's remove this cable from this pull tabby thingy by just pulling this, which is really satisfying according to me, and many others. You can just remove it by just doing that, untying it. And I've done it in a really messy way. But anyways, now this is of no use, and I'll probably keep this back in the box which it came from, which is this box. So bye bye, go out of the frame. And here is the MagSafe charger itself, the legendary thing itself, and which is pretty hefty. I like the weight of it, and the way it connects to the iPhone is also really amazing. Just lift the iPhone using this, and it is pretty strong too. Like shake vigorously and it fell down. After some vigorous shaking, it falls down. So anyways, the MagSafe charger attached to the phone in a pretty nice way. So let me just connect it with the power, and let's see how this thing goes on. So guys, I have hooked the MagSafe charger to the power's mains, and you can just plug it to your iPhone which has MagSafe, and this is what the animation shows.
which is really great, and I just like the animation. It is really good, like if you're like watching something or playing some kind of game, you can always do so, and you always have your lightning port free, so you can use this to do something else. I'll be trying it in some of my other video, what happens if you like use your MagSafe charger as well as use your lightning cable at the same time. But anyways, this is how the MagSafe charger is. This is how it rotates, but since this is a silicone case, it doesn't rotate that well. But anyways, if it is on the glass surface or some kind of leather case, it will rotate. Anyways, this case is amazing, and I will be using this like as my daily phone charger. So bye guys, if you have liked this review, please consider like, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye bye guys.